my YouTube channel, Akeem Allah. We have another question to solve today. And the question we are going to solve today is right here on the board. How are we going to solve this particular question? Of course, we are going to get solution to the question. But before we do justice to the question on the board, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Akeem Allah. You can also like and share my video. As a matter of fact, you can also comment on the comment section of this particular video. I will appreciate all this. Now let's go solving the question on the board. We have here in the diagram, we have everything. Normally, the question is calculate the area of the quadrilateral. The area of the quadrilateral. If you look at this quadrilateral, QRST, of course, is a quadrilateral because quadrilateral always have four sides and four angles. And if you look at this is a trapezium. And the area of a trapezium is always given by 1 over 2 into A plus B, or everything multiplied by H. If you look at this, we are given the A. This is our A. We need to get our B. This is the B. We also need to get our H. This is the H. Now, of course, we can get the H. But before we can get the H from what we have on the board now, the H now will be equal to the difference between the total, as in PS minus PT. We are going to have 144 40.4 minus PT. We have this PT. We need to get that PT, but we can quickly get the value of that PT because these two sides are given. You can see the hypotenuse is given. Then we need to get this side, which is we can represent it with X. So for us to now get our X now, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So I will write using Pythagoras theorem. If I use Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to have 10 squared to be equal to x squared plus 6 squared. That means my x now will now be the square root of 100 minus 36, which is equal to the square root of 64. So my x now will now be 8 centimeter. I've gotten that. So I can equally get my h. My h now will now be 14.4 minus 8. So if I should subtract that now, I will have 6.4. That is the value of my h. We are done with that. But we need to get our h. Okay, we've gotten the h. We need to get our b. How can we get our b? Then we are going to introduce, because this is a right angle triangle. If we consider the big side of the shape as in PSR. So we are going to use similar triangle to get our b. So I will write using similar triangle. If I use similar triangle now, that means I'm going to have my PT now will now be my PT all over TQ will now be equal to my PS all over my SR or RX. That means I'm going to have X all over 6 is equal to, what will I have? 14.4 all over B. Now I have gotten my X. My X is 8. I have this one to be 8. So from here, we can cross multiply and make B the subject of formula. If we should cross multiply there, our B now will now be 6 times 14.4. Everything all over 8. I have here 2 here is 3. 2 here is 4. 4 here is 1. What is 4 in 14? That is 3 with that 2. Then in 2.4, that will give us 6. So we are going to have 3 times 8, that will be 10.8. That is our B. Now we can easily find the area of the quadrilateral QRST because all the unknowns are found. That means I'm going to have now the area now will now be equal to 1 all over 2 into what is our A? Our A is 6. We have 6. Plus, what is our B? Our B is what we have got it before. What is that? That's 10.8. Then we have our H. What is our H? 66.4. So 2 here is 1. 2 here is 3.2. That means our A now will now be, add this together, we have 16.8 times 3.2. So our A now will now be, what is the value of what we have on the board? 60.8. We have 16.8 times 3.2. That will automatically give us 53.76. 53.76 centimeter square. This is mathematics made simple by Akeem Ola. You can. Thank you for watching. But don't still forget to subscribe to my channel at Akeem Ola. You can also like and share my video. And you can of course broadcast my channel to the people around you. I will appreciate if you can do this for me. God bless you. Take care.